Microsoft Excel is one of the most used software applications of all time. Hundreds of millions of people around the world use Microsoft Excel. You can use Excel to enter all sorts of data and perform financial, mathematical or statistical calculations. It is also a spreadsheet program that is used to record and analyze numerical data. Think of a spreadsheet as a collection of columns and numbers usually assigned to rows. The point where a column and row meet are called a cell. The address of a cell is given by the letter representing the column and the number representing a row. Let us understand about Microsoft Excel screen elements. The screen consists of Quick Access Toolbar, Tell Me, the ribbon, File menu, Formula bar, Expand bar button, Vertical scroll, Horizontal scroll bar, Zoom, Normal view, Page layout view, Page break preview, Insert worksheet button, and Worksheet navigation tab. The Quick Access Toolbar lets you access common commands no matter which tab is selected. You can customize the commands depending on your preference. The Tell Me box works like a search bar to help you quickly find tools or commands you want to use. The ribbon contains all of the commands you will need to perform common tasks in Excel. It has multiple tabs, each with several groups of commands. File tab menu contains the basic required options such as New, Open, Save, Save As, Print, Share, Export, and Close options. In the Formula bar, you can enter or edit data, a formula, or a function that will appear in a specific cell. The name box displays the location, or name, of a selected cell. A column is a group of cells that runs from the top of the page to the bottom. In Excel, columns are identified by letters. A row is a group of cells that runs from the left of the page to the right. In Excel, rows are identified by numbers. Each rectangle in a workbook is called a cell. A cell is the intersection of a row and a column. Simply click to select a cell. The scroll bars allow you to scroll up and down or side to side. To do this, click and drag the vertical or horizontal scroll bar. Excel files are called workbooks. Each workbook holds one or more worksheets. Click the tabs to switch between them, or right-click for more options. There are 3 ways to view a worksheet. Simply click a command to select the desired view. Click and drag the slider to use the zoom control. The number to the right of the slider reflects the zoom percentage. Thank you. See you next video.